welcome to Bass Day Fishing. Today we're heading up to the California Delta for 3 days of fishing. Now we go to the California Delta because there are giant bass up there, but also it's just an incredible fishery. Every time you go, you fish new waters. There's 1,000 miles of waterways that you can explore, all kinds of great things to see, all kinds of new ways to fish. When you're at the California Delta, you're doing predominantly power fishing. So we're using bigger baits, bigger line, all kinds of things we would never do down here at Castaic Lake in Southern California. Here, it's a finesse fishery. I'll be using 5-pound test and using really small baits. We go up to the Delta, we're using braid and we're throwing all kinds of huge baits. We're punching, we're top watering. We're doing all kinds of things that I just don't get to do. So I'm looking forward to it. Come and join us. We're headed up to the California Delta. Dude.
Oh yeah, right at the boat.
Yeah, it's a good fish too. Yep, pliers.
Yeah, hang on.
I'm sewing up. I got it.
Okay.
I was just so excited.
Get him out. We're not prepared.
No.
Here, weigh him.
Yeah, you know why? He ate two.
Yeah, but you're weighing him. No, he's two.
I don't think so. So, no, he's not terrible. I mean, do a number on their lips. Woohoo!
Well, I gotta rip out a fast rod end.
Good fish right there.
Hey, let me take this off my head so I don't look stupid.
Deserved it because I hit that dead so perfect. I don't think he's very big. He's swimming at me right now. He's coming right at me, so who knows?
Gotta be easy. Not bad though.
No. He's good actually. I'll never. I cast that so perfect.
Yeah, that's not bad. Hey, look at that, we've got different spots.
That's a good fish, and he's actually a good counter fish.
That's not bad right there. And I looked at your cast, I go, that's right, good cast.
That's a different color than the other guys.
Yeah, he's got more like spots.
Yeah. All right, nice fish. Start the day, of course. Only breathe, but don't hold it. Get him up. I just cast it as soon as it hit. Took it. It is so much more fun getting bit than not getting bit. Is he on there?
No.
Oh, jeez! I know you do. I see him. That's our best fish of the day yet. And you're acting like he's a nothing.
He's a money fish.
Well, he might be. Yeah, that's 2 plus. Turn him one more time. He's out of the boat. Dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's 4. And you're acting like it's nothing.
Look at this thing.
Make sure you walk him back here too. There's a good fish right there. Look how beat up he's on the side.
Yeah.
I'm hoping for 3 and I'm hoping he ain't 4.
And I can put my hand in his mouth to take the hook out. He's a right back.
Yeah, and you're acting like he was on the whole time. Good fish.
Where's the scale, dude?
No, we don't.
311.
311. Well, there's what we were talking about right there.
310. You just hit the mark at 310.
Either way, he's
There it is, dude.
in his way. I'm happy. He's $6, but it's not 6 plus a 5. It's a great fish. Woo! Nice.
Look at that paddle. These are pretty. Thanks.
Gonna film him. California Delta showing off its coolness. Big old turkey vulture sitting right there on the tree, either sunning himself or telling us that he doesn't want us nearby. Oh, dude, I got good fish.
Oh.
Little bait. Now it's looking at me. The bait just went away. Better what I've been catching. He actually looks like a fish.
Yeah.
With color.
Yeah.
Here's his problem. Looks like a castig bass. When that went from a bagger or my worm,
I got a good one. I got a money fish. Maybe, I don't know.
Now he knows it's hooked. I'm ready to feed this big fish. That's a 5-pounder. Yes!
Well done. Bottom of the
Woo! That was my fat worm again. Oh, what am I doing? Turn the boat so the sun's not right behind me.
Oh, you want the sun on your face, you're trying to get it.
I just don't want it right by the camera.